Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to paint Acura TL grill step by step. Start by removing the grill, clean thoroughly with degreaser, sand gently with 400 grit, and mask surrounding areas. Apply primer and light coats, allow to flash and sand smooth. Spray base color with even passes, maintain 6 to 8 inches distance, then clear coat for protection. Wear proper PPE always. Gather tools and materials so you have everything ready and avoid interruptions. Sand the grill starting with 400 grit, then refine with 800 grit for a smooth surface, and remove dust with a tack cloth. Use an adhesion promoter for plastic parts, then apply 2 light primer coats, letting each flash fully. Proper prep reduces runs and improves adhesion, so take your time and work methodically for best results. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker I used for tunes while painting. It made the job more enjoyable. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When painting, hold the can or gun steady and use smooth overlapping passes to build even coverage without runs. Keep a consistent 6 to 8 inches distance and move at a steady pace. Slow passes cause buildup and fast passes create orange peel. Apply multiple thin coats rather than one heavy coat, allow proper flash time between coats, and finish with 2 clear coats for durability and shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.